Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey, welcome back to my channel guys, it's Pinnacle Trading here. Had a nice solid day trading trades today, 3 out of 3 winners. Again, today I did something new. We had the voice chat go on, so if you're in the chat room, I added a voice chat section where I do call out live voice trades, and then I post them in the trade alerts as well so you can catch them. But if you want to join the live trading every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, click on the live trading tab and you can talk to me, ask questions on any trades, and then I'll be talking in there as well, doing a market recap and market analysis, market view as I'm trading. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's jump into the trades we had today. First one was UBXY long at 64.86. So overall markets were pretty bullish, but I was looking for a quick gap filled play on that one. So at 9:43, which is right about here, I got an entry on that one at 64.86. Target was 65.5. And then what happened right here, let's zoom in. So got in on this candle, went down a little bit and then started running up, came down again, went up to 65.5 target. I didn't take it there. What happened, came down again, and next candle went up to 65.6. So when it came down, I added a little bit. This is my trade entry and exit on that one. So entry was right there, 64.86. Came down, missed a target, looking for a double bottom bounce. Candle closed higher, so I added at 65.07, and then I sold all of them on the huge gap up at 65.65. So that was a trade right there. And then next one was a quick SPY short of 255. So that was a very quick trade. So I was looking for more of a drop on that one, but we didn't get it too much, so I just took profits on that one and just called it a day. So that was called out at, let's go back here, that was called out at 255.01 at 10:41 a.m. So right over here, I was looking for it to come down, and then I was looking for 9 EMA to break. So I'm testing a new script right now, worked very well today overall as well. So broke below, and then I took my profits immediately right there, 254 off the lows, 254.65 or 62. So that was a quick gap full play, and then it ran up again, came down, and even came down to my target at 254.04, and then it bounced off of that. So if you got in on that one, quick play, but also it did hit my target at 254 area, so I call that out. Take profits twice on that one. So if you miss it initially, you had a second chance to get out for even better profit on that one. Last one, I called that in the voice chat. I didn't get a chance to call it out in the trade alerts itself. I was watching SPY, but if you guys took that trade, I called it out UBXY to go long over 61, and because we had resistance over there at 61.5. So I was saying go long over the resistance at 61. On this candle right here, went all the way up to 62.6. Highs were about 62.6 and it came back down again. So that was a quick trade, but if you got it on the voice chat, call it out. Take it over 61, look for resistance at 62, and then next at 63. Didn't go all the way there, got rejected, and it came back down. So that was 3 out of 3 day trading wins today. And if you're interested in learning how I take these trades, find these trades, or just looking at getting into trading and investing, head over to the website pinnacletrading.us. And if you scroll down, you can join the chat room live for free. That's free to join. All these alerts that I called out today, even the voice chat room, that's free for everyone to join. So click that button, be a part of the chat room today. And if you're interested in the course, which is where I teach everything about trading, investing, and a lot more, and you get access to the VIP section, and I'll help you one-to-one getting started with trading, whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, etc. Teach your strategies personally, and you get access to a VIP section. That's a lifetime. It's 40% off right now. It's $397 regularly, but it's only $249 right now. So it's 40% off till end of March. So if you're interested in that, send me or have any questions, you can ask me in the chat room. Again, if you like this video, did a quick trade recap, but if you want to learn more about trading, grab the course, join the chat room for free, and again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Make sure to share the videos with your fellow traders. Hope you all have a great trading day and the rest of the week. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.